Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today we will discuss the positions of carbon and hydrogen atoms in organic compounds, especially with reference to alkanes. First, we clear the position of carbons on the basis of degree. So the carbon that is attached to one carbon atom is called first degree carbon atom or 1 degree carbon atom. And the second carbon that is attached to two other carbon atoms is called 2 degree carbons. And the third carbon that is attached to three other carbon atoms is called 3 degree carbon. And the last one is a 4 degree carbon atom. This atom is attached to four other carbon atoms. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now it should be mentioned here that first degree carbon stands for primary and second degree carbon stands for secondary. 3 degree carbon atom stands for tertiary. 4 degree carbon atom stands for quaternary. So these are the position of carbon on the basis of their degrees. First degree or 1 degree carbon, 2 degree carbon, 3 degree carbon and 4 degree carbon. What is a primary carbon? The carbon atom which is attached to one other carbon is called primary carbon. So this is a primary carbon because this carbon is attached to only one other carbon. Similarly, secondary carbon is that carbon which is attached to two other carbon atoms. This is a secondary carbon atom because this carbon atom is attached to 1 and 2, first degree carbon atom and third degree carbon atom. Tertiary carbon is that carbon which is attached to three carbons like this. So this is a tertiary carbon because this carbon is attached to three other carbons 1, 2 and 3. So this is a tertiary carbon. Now come to an important terminology here, that is quaternary carbon. So the carbon atom which is attached to four carbons is called quaternary carbons or 4 degree carbons. This, join this one. So this is a quaternary carbon. Similar is the case for hydrogen atoms. Primary hydrogen atoms attached to primary carbon are called primary hydrogen. Primary hydrogens. This is a primary carbon, and these are primary hydrogens. So these are primary hydrogens. The hydrogens that are attached to second degree carbons or secondary carbons are called secondary hydrogens. These are secondary hydrogens. Tertiary hydrogen is that hydrogen which is directly attached to tertiary carbon or 3-degree carbon. So this one is a tertiary hydrogens. This should be clear to you here that there is no quaternary hydrogens, because the quaternary carbon satisfies all its 4 valence electron, engaging these electrons to 4 other carbon atoms like this. There are 4 other atoms around the quaternary carbons. So now I repeat. First degree carbon stands for primary. So now this is first degree carbon. So it is called primary carbons. The second one, 2-degree carbon or secondary carbon. So this is a secondary carbon. The third one is tertiary carbon. 3-degree carbon stands for tertiary. So this one is a tertiary carbon. The fourth one, that is 4-degree carbon, is quaternary. So this carbon is quaternary carbon. Hydrogen that is directly attached to hydrogens that are directly attached to primary carbon are called primary hydrogen. Hydrogens attached to secondary carbon are called secondary hydrogens. Hydrogen attached to 3-degree carbon or tertiary carbon is called tertiary hydrogens. So students, thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.